In the depths of the Aegean Sea, a secret lies buried, a fragment of genius lost to the shadows of time. Until now, Greek sponge divers exploring an ancient shipwreck near Antikythera find a corroded lump of bronze. But this is no ordinary artifact. What they hold is technology so advanced it will challenge everything we thought we knew about the ancient world. The Antikythera Mechanism, at least 30 interlocking bronze gears housed in a wooden frame, is a marvel that seems to defy time itself. This ancient computer, over 2,000 years old, speaks of astronomical calculations with uncanny precision. But what is this device? As scholars converge on Athens, they realize the mechanism is not just a relic. It's a key to unlocking a truth hidden for millennia. The gears are turning. The ancient machine stirs to life. And as we stand on the brink of revelation, we feel the weight of destiny. For in our hands lies the key to the past, and perhaps to shaping the future. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than just a machine. It's a testament to a world of scientific marvels we thought long lost. Its intricate workings point to sophistication believed impossible for the ancient world. The inscriptions speak a language of the stars, charting celestial movements with stunning accuracy. The gears mimic cosmic cycles, predicting eclipses and equinoxes with precision that defies belief. But its true purpose remains elusive. Navigation tool, religious artifact, or something else entirely, a piece of a larger puzzle we have yet to solve. The mechanism holds within its corroded gears a knowledge vast and profound, a wisdom that could change human history. We must press on, no matter the cost. The truth is waiting to be discovered. As we reach the precipice of revelation, evidence emerges of knowledge so advanced it defies conventional wisdom. The mechanism suggests a world of secrets deliberately hidden from the masses. Its inscriptions speak of initiation language, a code meant for the select few. The gears hint at knowledge deliberately obscured, a cipher unlocked only by those with the right keys. From Egypt's mystery schools to Greece's philosophical sects, traces of this hidden wisdom appear everywhere. Knowledge passed from master to disciple in an unbroken chain, despite efforts to destroy it. Why hide such knowledge? Because it threatens the established order, challenging foundations of religion, politics, and power. If these suppressed truths came to light, they could spark a revolution of mind and spirit. The forces of orthodoxy have persecuted truth seekers, burned books, destroyed artifacts. But the truth will not be denied. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as testament to the indomitable human spirit. In the heart of the mystery, the final pieces fall into place. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than a machine. It's a key to realms of knowledge hidden for millennia. As we decode its secrets, a picture emerges of a world where science and spirituality are one, where cosmic mysteries interweave with secrets of the soul. The mechanism is a map, a guide to navigating human consciousness, to unlocking dormant potentials within us all. The knowledge speaks to a fundamental truth. Mind and matter are intertwined. The boundaries of self are fluid. The mechanism isn't just a relic, but a message from the future, telling us we're capable of more than we imagine. With this knowledge comes responsibility. These truths are a sacred trust, shared only with those ready to receive them. The mechanism's true legacy isn't just its knowledge, but the journey it inspires. Self-discovery, pushing boundaries of the possible. The revelation is more than historical curiosity. It's a call to awakening. If we heed its call, there's no telling what wonders we might achieve. As we emerge from the depths of the Antikythera Mechanism's mysteries, we find ourselves forever changed. The revelation of its true nature, the secrets it held, have shaken us to our very core. We have gazed upon a wonder from the distant past, and in doing so, caught a glimpse of the vast potential that lies within us all. The journey has been long and arduous, a trek through the shadows of history and the labyrinths of the human mind. We have confronted truths that challenged our understanding of the world, that forced us to question the very foundations of our beliefs. But through it all, we have emerged stronger, wiser, more attuned to the great mysteries that surround us. The Antikythera Mechanism has shown us that the ancients possessed a wisdom and understanding far beyond what we had ever imagined, that they had unlocked secrets of the universe that we are only now beginning to rediscover. And yet, for all the revelations it has bestowed upon us, the Antikythera Mechanism remains in many ways an enigma. Its full purpose, the extent of its capabilities, the identities of those who crafted it, these are questions that may never be fully answered, mysteries that will continue to beckon future generations of explorers and dreamers. But perhaps that is as it should be. For the true gift of the Antikythera Mechanism lies not in the answers it provides, but in the questions it inspires us to ask. It is a reminder that the world is full of wonders, that there is always more to learn, more to discover. And as we reflect on the profound implications of this ancient device, we cannot help but feel a sense of awe and humility. We stand on the shoulders of giants, the inheritors of a legacy of knowledge and exploration that stretches back to the very dawn of human civilization. It is a legacy that we must now carry forward, a torch that we must bear into the future. For the truths unlocked by the Antikythera Mechanism are not meant to be hoarded or hidden, but shared with all of humanity. They are a call to awakening, a summons to explore the vast potential that lies within each and every one of us. And so, as we close this chapter of our journey, we do so with a renewed sense of purpose and wonder. We have peered into the heart of an ancient mystery and emerged transformed by the experience. The Antikythera Mechanism may have yielded its greatest secrets, but the adventure is far from over. For as long as there are mysteries to be unraveled, as long as there are wonders to be discovered, the spirit of exploration and discovery that it embodies will endure. And we will be there, ready to embrace the unknown, to boldly go where no one has gone before. For that is the promise and the challenge of the Antikythera Mechanism, to never stop questioning, never stop seeking, never stop striving to unlock the great mysteries of the universe. If this journey has stirred your curiosity, if it has made you question what you thought you knew, then welcome to the Adventures Past community. We dig through time, decode the silence, and shine light on what was left behind. So if you're ready for more forgotten truths and buried wonders, subscribe and join us on this exploration into the shadows of history. Tap the bell, like the video, share the mystery. Because history isn't just what happened, it's what survived. The Antikythera Mechanism has shown us that the past is never truly dead, that its secrets and wonders are waiting to be rediscovered by each new generation. And as long as we keep exploring, keep questioning, keep seeking to unravel the great mysteries of our world, its spirit will live on. For in the end, that is the greatest legacy of this remarkable device, not just the knowledge it contained, but the eternal human passion for discovery and understanding that it represents. So let us carry that passion forward, let it guide us and inspire us as we continue on this great adventure of life and learning. The journey awaits, and the wonders of the past and future are calling. Together, let us answer that call and see where it leads us next.